what name your file can be saved. इस बॉक्स के अंदर हमें अपनी फाइल का नेम टाइप करना होता है, ओके, एंड लोकेशन ऑल्सो वी आर टू चूज इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू सेव आवर फाइल. यूजिंग द while using the save as option, a single file can be saved under different names or at different location. It means in the save as option we can save our file, we can save our same file with the different name or at different locations. Okay, for this we are to follow some steps. Step number 1, when you are ready to save your file, click on the file menu, then choose save as option. Choose here save as option. Okay, this save as dialog box will appear. From here select the directory. From here you are to select the directory like C drive, D drive, desktop, this PC. Okay, wherever you want to save your file, choose the directory from here. Okay, and in the file name box, and here this is file name box. Here you are to enter the name of your choice. Whatever name you want to give to your file, that name you are to type here. Okay. Then in the save as type box, you can select the type of file being saved. Here Word document, PPT, PowerPoint presentation file, Excel file, okay, etc. format you are to choose. And then in last you are to click on this save button. Click on this save button. As you will click on this save button, your file will be saved in the desired location. Wherever you choose from here directory, it will be saved in the desired location. Okay, if you want to save a file in the current location, simply press the save button. Like wherever it is open just you want to save your file in the current location, just don't choose any directory from here. Just open the save as dialog box, type the name of file and click on the save button. Okay, this save option saves a document you have saved earlier, writing directly over the previous file. This save button, इस सेव बटन पे क्लिक करने पर आपने जो भी वर्क जहाँ पे भी जिस फाइल पे भी इसको सेव किया है उसके ऊपर, उसी वर्क के ऊपर ये डायरेक्टली सेव हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज ओपनिंग अ फाइल. इफ यू हैव क्रिएटेड अ फाइल एंड सेव्ड इट, अगर आपने फाइल बना ली है, क्रिएट की है एंड सेव की है, यू कैन यूज इट इन द फ्यूचर. ओके, एंड फॉर टू ओपन अ फाइल you are to follow some steps. Step number 1, select file menu. From the file menu, choose open then browse option. Open then browse option. Okay, and from here you are to choose the name of your file which you want to open. Okay, then after selecting the file, you are to double click on it. Okay, or you can select the file from here and you can click on the open option from here. After selecting the file from here, you can choose the open option here. Okay, so that your file will be open. Next is renaming a file. Renaming means renaming a selected file can be renamed once it is created or any time later. Once you create your file, you can rename your file. Okay, suppose while making your file you forgot to give the correct name to your file, you can change the name, you can rename your file. For this you are to follow some steps. Step number 1, right click on the file. See here, this is file. Right click on the file and this drop down list will appear. Okay, then click on the rename option. You are to choose from here rename option. From this shortcut menu you are to choose rename option. As you will click on it, you are to type the name of your file and then press open button, or you are to press enter key. As you will press enter key, the name of file will be changed or it will be replaced. Next is moving a file to recycle bin. Moving a file to recycle bin. Recycle bin is a folder in which a user can store all the unwanted files and folders. Recycle bin में बहुत सारी फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स को जब हम डिलीट करते हैं तो वो सारी फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स कहाँ जाती हैं, रिसाइकल बिन में. ओके, एंड रिसाइकल बिन इज अ डस्टबिन ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. रिसाइकल बिन इज अ डस्टबिन ऑफ अ computer. It means whatever you delete from the computer directly it will goes in the recycle bin. ये वहाँ से delete हो गया आपके कंप्यूटर से किस में जाती है, recycle bin में. ओके, and from the recycle bin you can get it back. आप recycle bin से उसको वापस भी ले सकते हो. Okay, so for this, for moving a file to the recycle bin you are to follow some steps. Step number 1, select the file and right click on it. Select the file and right click on it. You can see here, select the file and right click on it. Then you will find here delete option. Okay, you will find here delete option. As you will click on it, your file will be your file will send into the recycle bin. It will directly go in the recycle bin.